So, the other day, B asked me, "Hey Dafydd, why are you so excited about the Jamboree? What does the Jamboree mean to you?" And I said to her, "I don't know, there's so many different things going on." So then I had a bit of a think about it. Now, I thought about a number of different things as to why I'm so excited about going to America. And the first one itself is America, because obviously I've never been to America. America's a really big place and it's a really exciting place. It's the type of place that, like, it's loads of songs, as you lot all know now, because we play all these songs all the time on our prep camps, and it's just going to be a great place to be. It's going to be a wonderful culture, and no matter where we go for Ho-Ho and our sort of city trip, it's going to be a great sort of experience seeing all the different things around there. Now, even though the Jamboree is like a big event like I've been to before, it's not going to be the same. It's going to be slightly different, because obviously I've been to other sort of international scouting events with less people and with sort of different layouts. And then there's the World Scout Jamboree in America, which all of a sudden, like, you're playing with an app to use, like, get your food and stuff. You're looking on an app, you're going, "Oh, is there climbing free? Yes, there is, let's go do climbing." What? This is exciting. Like, suddenly, when you start thinking about all this and you think, this isn't normal, this is actually quite new and exciting, then you start getting the sort of excitement levels up, right? So the next one is obviously you guys who are coming with us, all of our participants. Some of you haven't been abroad before, some of you may have been abroad, but you haven't been abroad with scouting before. And obviously I can tell you that going abroad with scouting is a hugely different experience to going abroad with your family or something. So it's going to be amazing to be able to witness sort of travelling out with all of you guys and seeing what's going on, and just being able to see sort of results and happiness that comes from that. Because I personally love travelling, which is another reason why I'm excited for America, because I get to travel halfway across the world with people that I like spending time with. What more could you want? And then my final one is, it's the big word that I always like, enthusiasm. Yes, there's going to be 50,000 young people on the Jamboree site, all of which are going to be bounding with enthusiasm. There's going to be so much enthusiasm there, you won't be able to get a word in edgeways, because there's so much enthusiasm. So I love enthusiasm, I love having everyone having enthusiasm, I love seeing people happy, and that's what the Jamboree is going to be for me.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures at the Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.